Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to look at DVWA SQL injection blind, and this is a blind injection, so what we used earlier will not work here. And so I am going to show you this with SQL map, since I did not cover in last video also. Probably it makes sense to cover SQL map here. So what we can see here is, let's say again, user ID 1. It just says that user ID exists in the database. There is no other output which indicates what was the username, what is the password, and so on and so forth. But we can take the similar approach as last time, double quote, nothing, single quote, and we see there was an error. And we don't see the error also. We don't see the other page also where we were having issues, which means that errors are handled, but this is still causing error. So let's try to see if we can see the rainy day scenario. And we will just say 1 equals 1 and then comment out the rest of it. And we see user ID exists in the database. This confirms that this is vulnerable to SQL injection. But since we are not able to see the output, this is called as a blind SQL injection. Now there are multiple ways you can solve this. You can use conditions. For example, I can say, if I take the same example and say, or let's say string of username comma 1 equals a, right? So what this means is that this condition will be false, but here we are comparing the part of username string with only the first character, and if the first character is a, then this will be true. And if this is true, then that means that we will see this user ID exist in the database, right? So that way we are able to determine whether one by one character we can actually determine the username and so on and so forth, right? And that can help us to find the complete username, and similarly we can do so for password. Now instead of doing this manually, you can always do this with SQL map. Now we'll just try SQL map. So SQL map is installed. What we will go and do is -u, and let's first verify whether we are able to use this. No, we will not be able to use this without the cookies, because the cookies is setting the uh, security to low, right? So what we are going to do is, we are going to take this URL and say this is my URL, and then we are going to give the cookies. So we will remove this, come here, inspect, go to storage, and these are the cookies. These are the two that we are interested in, PHP session ID and security low. So what we are going to do is, we will look for setting the cookie here. I think it is -H. -HH. Okay. We are looking for cookie. Okay. -H header we can use. That will be fine. Yeah, let's do that. So -H CO cookie colon, and then we want the PHP session ID. Let's copy this So it will be PHP SESS ID. PHP session ID equals what we copied just now. And it's the wrong clipboard. So let me give the right clipboard. And then we also need to set security equals low. These are the headers we want. And there is only one parameter, so we can actually run this. Let's see what happens. I already have run this once, so I will run this with fresh queries here. So for minus plus config firmware no local share SQL map. Yeah. Okay, now we can see that it is running it from scratch and it is not using my earlier session, and it is actually starting to run various queries testing for various scenarios, and it is asking me to perform unit test only if there are not at least one other potential technique found. Do you want to reduce the number of requests? Let's say yes. It didn't work, so let's try again, and this time we will say no. Let's say minus parameter is ID. No. Let's also increase the level to 3. This is going to take some time, so we'll have to wait patiently for this to work. And then also let's try with risk 5. I always get this wrong. Level should be 5 and risk should be 3. So we'll have to wait for this to complete, but as you can see, this will test for all the DB types that it knows, and then it will figure out whether there is the issue or not. Looks like we are missing some cookie. So let's try with all the cookies. And we will just say -h cookie colon copy value here, paste all the cookies here, and let's try once more. Okay, I think we will have to give us little help to SQL map. So SQL map minus HH, and we are looking to give the grep minus I success string or failure string. There is a parameter that we are missing is, let's try with that as well, is here, if we see the URL has submit parameter that we are not using. Let's try by adding that. And let's see what happens. Yeah, now we can see that it is working. So it has found the, okay, the problem was we were not giving submit equals submit, but now that we see that this is working, we can see that the get par ID parameter is vulnerable, and it found a Boolean based blind injection. So now what we can do is we can actually remove all this. This is not required. And let's say that we want to list the DBs. So we can just say minus minus DBs, and then it will start retrieving it. And we can see that there are two databases, DVWA and information schema. Let's say that we want to use DVWA as the database and we want to find the tables. So we'll say minus minus tables, and we will see that there are two tables, guest book and users. Now we can say that table is users, and then we want to find the columns. This should not take a lot of time, and we can find that the columns has these columns. So we can say minus C, and then what are we interested in? User, then password, and maybe user ID, right? Let's do this. Minus C, not minus C. And we should actually remove this as well. Then we can say minus minus dump. So we can see that now it will dump all the data that it can find in users table. It was very helpful, and it will ask us whether we want to run, we want to save it to temporary file or not. Do we want to quickly try and crack it? We will try with the local database, whatever it has. I don't care much. We can quickly see if we can get lucky with some of the passwords. And yes, we got lucky with all the passwords. So we can see that user 1337 is there. This is the hash. This is Charlie, password, admin. This is the hash. This is the password. Gordon B, ABC123, Pablo, let me in, and Smithy is password is password. So that's all for today. Thank you.